Never have I been more sure about anything other than A, there's a God, than that nobody, no bloodline is capable of replacing me. They're not going to connect to God after I'm gone. Okay? It's not going to happen unless it's God's wrath finishing them off or something. Period. Okay? Every female in the world should be 100% aware of two things. One, that it is a dominatrix. Okay? Matrix, right? It is the weird wig-wearing judge. It is the weird feminist with the whip, right? That's the energy they're in. Their energy that those guys are in is like the whiny judge and the psycho-feminist, sexual sadist, control freak, dominatrix in all leather with the little jockey whip. Okay? This is how the system is. When you die, if you die right now, what are you missing out on? You're missing out on all those horrible headlines of how they torture the poor. You're missing out on sleeping with some hero-shunning slut. What are you really missing out on? What are your kids missing out? If all your kids died right now and you died, okay, you go to meet your maker. You made a profoundly sound decision in a world full of pure evil. It doesn't allow for good. What are you missing out? What are they missing out on? Going to college? Are you fucking kidding me? With those pedophile professors? With those sniveling worms? They teach you how to be a sniveling bookworm when worm is even the archaic word for snake? What are you missing out on? You're not missing out on anything. I'm the top martial artist. I'm not missing out on anything. I can extract truth and read people better than anyone on the planet. I can appreciate things better than anyone on the planet. I'm not missing out on anything. I die right now. What are you missing out on? You know, you're like, I want to be a worm sliding on the ground. Or some piece of shit that is like once is a snake. He's like, look, my body is more fit. I'm more from the tree of knowledge. Some secret society stupid fuck that comes from a long line of stupid fucks that even though they know they're breeding nothing but evil stupid fucks kept planting their seed. Wrap your mind around that for a moment. These people knew that the world was pure evil, pedophile, AIDS injecting filth, and every generation their stupid bloodlines came to the conclusion that they should keep planting seeds with their inferior patriarchal lines. How fucking pathetically, pitifully evil is that? What are you here for? Why are you trying to plant your evil seeds in this world for? Oh, that's right, you're pure evil fucking scum. You're beta filth with no sense. And so it is with the paths in life. What decision, folks, is more important than what lifestyle you're going to choose? What's more important than that? Look at these pussies. Every female on the planet should see a beta and say, you're a bitch. Not even consider it for a moment. I don't care if she's from a long line of betas. She should know way better than to date some pussy like that. Every female should see the brutes and say right away, I have nothing to do with you. You're a musclehead. You're a gym head fucking dumb fuck. Get out of here. Right away. They should see every culture that is allowed and say, I'll have nothing to do with that. Now, while you sit there acting like a bitch, if that's what you're doing, in a predominantly Christian culture where they have no viable, they never attempted a viable counter-argument because there is none. Okay? 1 John 2:15, do not love the world or anything in the world. If anyone loves the world, love for the Father is not in them. Show me a Christian that says something that directly argues this point, this specific point. They don't exist. Because it takes one stupid fuck, not even they are that stupid at this point, to say that's not the case. The world is pedophile, dominatrix, control freak, sexual sadist, eugenist, fucking trickle-down energy bitch. Okay? You don't have to take my word for it. Look around you. Use reason. Reason is what could have helped you bridge the gap. None of your bloodlines can connect to God by itself. Not even my brothers can connect to God by themselves. What allows you to bridge the gap and to be saved is using reason. Reason and faith. You didn't have the reason to say it. You didn't have the reason to say, what lifestyle should I lead? How should I live my life? You didn't have the reason. I'm going to put some pictures that prove my point. I'm running out of fucking time on my phone. You know, it is despicable. These things, I shouldn't have to think for a moment that in an alternate universe, an alternate dimension or whatever the fuck, that I should even begin to have to say these things. They're so fucking obvious. Just like my martial art challenge. I'm king fucking leopard. Everyone else is like a worm, a mouse, a piglet, or some other fucking submissive to the devil type of bitch form. If I have to convince you that I'm the top martial artist, you don't know just right away looking at me, you are one stupid fuck. If I have to convince you that I'm a sabotage hero, you are one stupid, sniveling, whiny, stupid, fucking completely brainwashed by sniveling beta fucking fuck. Think about it. My goodness. I show you I could crush Bruce Lee in a second, outmaneuver him and stab him in a second. This guy could play ping pong with nunchucks and could probably kill almost everybody else that you've ever heard of. And I could outmaneuver him in a split second and cut him wide open. And I have to convince you that I'm the top martial artist? That I'm the closest to God? That the great warrior on a great mission is closer to God than some scientific yuppie fraternity beta and some corporate sponsored bitch fucking group? I really have to convince you that? I really have to convince you that you're better off listening to me? And then by default, if you don't let me lead you, you're letting somebody else. It's like playing a video game. There isn't a fucking move you can make that these motherfuckers didn't program and allow for if you don't listen to me. None of you are that transcendent. And if you were, for what purpose? You transcend going down? The only way to go up, the only moral thing to do is give the top martial artist his rightful place. Martial, marital, martial, to order, to arrange, controlling reproduction. Any female that doesn't let me control their reproduction is a fucking slut. Whoring herself to a culture of this world. You stupid fuck. Where does love come from? It comes from God, the Father. 1 John 2:15. Do not love the world or anything in the world. Why? Because that's not love. Does it need to say, because that's not love for you beta pussies? For you Western wordplay bitches? Take off your grammar Nazi wordplay fucking thong, you pussies. Does it need to say that? That's not love. Love only comes from the Father. If anyone loves the world, love for the Father is not in them. Therefore, love is not in them. God is righteousness and love, and I'm the way, the truth, and the light. I am the gate. No one who doesn't obey me gets to the fucking gate. And when I die, I'll be looking at you sniveling worms and your offspring like, why didn't you fucking listen? The fuck you think of me saying to God? Perhaps take it easy on them. No. You are some complicit with mass rape, mass murdering, mass drugging, aids to the fucking white people that look like me because they look like me type of pussies. You think you're not going to fucking suffer? You think that I have some semblance of a chance to make you suffer for eternity, that I won't do just that? Is that what you think? It's the same kind of stupid fuck that needs to be told why I'm the top martial artist. Stupid. That's stupid. Stop being stupid. Be smart.